All right, what's up guys? So doing a little work on the car. I just took off these rear upper control arms from Trueheart. I got these about a year and some time ago, and just went back to stock. And one thing I did notice is that I started to get like some type of noise back here, and every time I'll hit a bump, and it'll literally sound like my bumper is coming off, like the whole bumper is just rattling off, and everything seemed fine. Obviously everything was under preload and tension, so I couldn't really tell what it was, but I found out what it was. So check it out. Or I found out what it is. Basically this Heim joint. I don't know if you can see that, but it moves this way and a little bit up. That is like super loose. I'm gonna try and get closer. So yeah, so that Heim joint basically wore out after about a couple hundred miles, because I noticed not long after I installed this 25 millimeter sway bar that started to make some like noise, and sounded really harsh. It still sounds pretty bad, and finally glad I found out what that is. So I'm either gonna be upgrading these links, or I'm just gonna end up going back to stock, because I don't really want to worry about this. And the car was pretty smooth before, and now it just sounds like an old 50s pickup truck, you know, going down the street. So but yeah, so just wanted to post this up real quick and show you guys exactly what I'm doing, and that I found my little issue that you guys didn't even know I was experiencing. But yeah, hopefully I get this sorted out soon, and whatever I do, I'll post an update. And yeah, pretty dang annoying.